Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to another interesting session in Companies Act. So, we are dealing with Directors chapter, and chapter number 11 is what we are talking about. Section 149 to section 172. So, we are done with section 160, which was giving opportunity to the company to increase their strength, sir, or to add a new fresh in board of directors, sir. So that appointment was done by shareholders in the general meeting. Sir, uske baad we have seen disqualification and we have also seen vacation of office of directors. Sir, then we have seen section 152 subsection 6 and 7. We are not done totally with 152, but only part of the section was done, sir. Subsection 6 and 7, sir. Now let us talk about another interesting section, which is section 162, sir. So request people to just make a note and write down heading as section 162, sir. Just 1 minute, sir. So okay, right, sir. So let us now talk about section number 162. So heading is appointment of directors to be voted on individually. Appointment of directors to be voted on individually. Okay, now, sir, let us try to understand what exactly the background behind this section is. Sir, say for example, in any general meeting, sir, in any general meeting, sir, say for example, five directors are to be appointed. Sir, five directors are to be appointed, or you can say reappointed. If they are directors retiring by rotation, then reappointment, sir, or new directors also we can add. So five directors are to be appointed. In short, there are five people who are either to be appointed or reappointed, sir. Cool, sir. Sir, my question to you people is, how many resolutions we should pass? How many resolutions should we pass? So you may say, sir, क्या फालतू बात करते आप, है ना? What is this stupid question? Sir, when five directors are there, five resolutions should be passed. Cool. Five resolutions are to be passed. Agreed? Yes. Okay. Can I say five resolutions? मतलब each appointment के लिए individual resolution is what we are passing, sir. That is what this heading is saying. Appointment of directors to be voted on individually. Appointment of directors to be voted on individually. I always said, sir, this is what I mean by marginal heading of the section, sir. So 162 का marginal heading is appointment of directors to be voted on individually, sir. So can I say, by looking at this section, marginal heading of this section, it looks like कि law wants you to appoint every director by passing individual resolutions, sir. Agreed? But really, this is the provision. We will look into it, sir. Okay. Now, sir, this is cool, sir. Now, what if I tell you, sir, imagine in company we have to now appoint 10 directors, sir. Sir, each director appointment, say for example, is taking 20 minutes. Each director's appointment is taking 20 minutes, or sometimes maybe imagine big companies it can take about 30 minutes also. Sir, don't you think most of the time you will be spending only in appointing a director, sir? Most of the time you will be spending only in appointing a director, sir. Sir, what could be the alternate then? So alternate could be what, sir? Sir, imagine we are passing one single resolution. We are now passing one single resolution for appointment or not, for passing the resolution for appointment of three directors, sir. So we are now passing a single resolution for appointment of three directors, sir. Yes, yes, sir. Now simple logic, sir. Here what we will do, sir. So imagine company mein there are many shareholders, sir. So all shareholders will have only one vote now. So resolution is only one. And here what is happening, sir? Three directors, D1, D2, D3, sir. Shareholder number one. Now he has to make a choice, sir, whether he wants to say yes or no. Matlab whether he wants to cast his vote in favor or against the resolution, sir. Sir, imagine he says, I want to cast in favor. जैसे ही passes in favor, it means he has given vote for all three people का appointment, sir. Sir, imagine now we are having shareholder number 2, sir. He voted against, sir. जैसे ही passes against, it means all three are rejected, sir. So ऐसे shareholders का resolution will be passed, sir. And then can we pass over and get this appointment done? Sir, logic looks good, but don't you think here we will be missing one trick, sir? What is the trick, sir? Let us see via one example, sir. So imagine there is one company by name Super Rich Limited. उसमें we have three directors, sir, which is Robert, Avenger and James Bond. So here are our three directors, sir. Raj, R-A-J. So who is your Raj, sir? Robert, Avenger and James Bond, sir. So these are the three people who are to be appointed in the ensuing general meeting, sir. Cool. Sir, imagine company में we have many shareholders, but for time being I am taking an example A, B, C, D, E, F and G, sir. So imagine we are saying that we are having 7 shareholders, sir. So why 7 shareholders? Because you are a public company, definitely you should have 7 shareholders, sir. So here we are having 7 shareholders, sir. So 7 shareholders are there. Now in the meeting we have to appoint these directors, sir. Sir, what are the ways in which this appointment can happen? Case 1, sir. Now what is case 1, sir? We will be passing 3 different resolutions because we have to appoint 3 different directors, sir. So R is also there, A is also there, J is also there, sir. Now imagine A से लेकर E, F also I am incorporating and also incorporating is J. F also I am incorporating is J, sir. Okay, now. Or what I will do, sir? Shareholders are 7, but in meeting only 5 people have come. Is that possible? Answer is yes. So let us take in this fashion only so that I need not disturb my example, sir. Okay, so 7 shareholders are there, sir. 5 people have attended the general meeting, sir. So can I say individual resolution was passed? So company secretary and he started up and saying that Mr. R, that is Mr. Robert, we are now passing a resolution for appointing Mr. Robert as a director of company, sir. How many of the shareholders votes in favor? Please raise their hands. If at all it is show of hands method or poll method, whatever it is, sir. Sir, imagine Raj, sir. Imagine Mr. R. Okay, so here, imagine Mr. A, sir. Now at home only he has predetermined, sir. Today I will go to shareholders meeting and in that meeting I have to give vote to all the 3 directors because all 3 people ko I like, sir. So imagine he liked the profile of all 3 directors. So he has passed votes in favor of all 3 directors, sir. Okay, cool. Similarly, E also, sir. At home only he has made up his mind, sir. See how you can made up your mind, sir. Can I say before AGM or EGM you will be getting the agenda, what is happening in the meeting you already know. So can I say you might have studied the profile of all these directors, so you might have made up your mind that this is what we have to do when we go to general meeting, sir. Like students, sir. Before receiving the question paper already we study at home, sir, so we have made up our mind, sir. Now only thing is we receive the question paper and act accordingly, sir. So whatever answer we studied at home, that only we write in the exam also, sir. So same thing, they have predetermined, sir. So can I say problem is not with A and E, sir. Now A wants all 3 to come, E does not want all 3 to come, sir. Cool, sir. Now imagine B. He likes Robert, he likes Avenger, but he does not like whom, sir? Mr. James Bond, sir. So he did not vote in favor, he casted vote against the resolution. ऐसे different permutations, combinations में appointment has happened, sir. Okay, so you can see C did not vote in favor for R, but in favor is for A and J. D wala, he did not vote in favor for R and A, and he has voted in favor for J, sir. So ऐसा different resolutions have passed. Now my question to you people is, do you think in this example, do you think everyone's discretion is considered? Answer is yes. Sir, see, whom he did not want, he did not vote. Whom he wanted, he voted, sir. So discretion is exercised, discretion is not exercised. Discretion is exercised. डिस्क्रिशन मतलब आपकी मर्जी सर. तो कैन आई से यू हैव वोटेड अकॉर्डिंग टू योर इंटरेस्ट. You liked all three, hence you voted all three. You did not like all three, hence you did not vote all three. You liked a few, you voted for them. You did not like, you did not vote, sir. So can I say my discretion is always there, sir? Okay, but if I go with my previous example ka case example number 2, sir, that is what I am presenting here, sir. Sir, here what is happening, sir? We are not passing 3 different resolutions. We are now passing only single resolution. So board of directors in general meeting have proposed single resolution for what, sir? Appointment of 3 directors, sir. Okay, so again 5 shareholders have come, sir. Can I say for A and E there is no problem, sir? Why? A wanted all 3. Instead of raising his hands 3 times, now he has to raise his hands only once. Can I say don't raise many times, only once for, sir? So can I say he has raised his hands once and all 3 are appointed, sir. Sir, E wala, he did not vote in favor, sir, and all 3 are not appointed, sir. But can I say B, C, D are now confused, because if they say yes, all 3 will come. If they say no, all 3 will not come, sir. Whereas B really likes R and A. So what he will do, sir? 3 people में at least 2 people तो I like ना. चलो, let's vote cast in favor. Let's cast vote in favor is what he has said, sir. Okay, now don't you think along with R, along with A, who will also forcefully join the company, sir? J. Sir, do you think Mr. B liked J? Answer is no, he never liked James Bond, sir. But can I say here, because we have done resolution in such a manner, sir, कि James Bond will also be appointed as a director in our company, sir. Can I say in the case of C also, sir? Sir, C has made up his mind, sir. He did not like R, he did not like, he did not like R. Remaining 2 people ko to he liked, sir. So can I say forcefully he also said what, sir? Yes. Now in this case what will happen, sir? Again all 3 will get appointed, sir. Sir, D, he did not like 2 directors, but he really liked James Bond, sir. Sir, but in this case, because he wanted only 1 but forcefully 3 are coming, he said no. Can I say even a director whom he liked, he could not vote in favor, sir? Sir, don't you think in this case your discretion power is with you or discretion power is not with you? Sir, whom you want you are appointing, or whom you don't want those people are also coming. Sir, whom we don't want those people are also coming, sir. So discretion exercise the, not exercise the, no. Can I say indirectly there is a undue influence? Indirectly there is an undue influence, sir. So can I say case 2 would have been good, sir, and instead of passing different resolutions, jaise I said, if you want to appoint 10 directors, now you need not pass a 10 different resolution. One resolution say problem can be solved. So it is good method, sir, but don't you think discretion part should not be left out, sir? Sir, you should be allowed to exercise your discretion, sir. So case 2 में merits are there but demerits are also there, sir. Case 1 में merits are there, demerits are also there. What is merit, sir? Discretion is exercise. What is demerit? Time consuming. This is a demerit, sir. This is your merit advantage. So can I say here discretion is exercise, that is disadvantage. And what is the advantage? Faster it will happen. So now lawmakers thought, let us come up with one practical solution. Let us try to create a section where we have all mixed fruit juice of case 1 and case 2 also. Sir, how is this possible, sir? Sir, here they are saying what? Okay, we will go with a single resolution only. मतलब multiple appointments of directors के लिए और multiple resolutions के लिए we will go with what, sir? One single resolution only. But before passing that single resolution, we will now take up another resolution, sir. मतलब whether single resolution for multiple appointments should happen or not, that we will decide secondary. First, let us pass one resolution where we check what, whether shareholders really wants this type of resolution to be passed. Which type of? Single resolution for multiple appointments. So whether you really like this type of resolution or not, for that we are now conducting another resolution. So first we will ensure that this resolution is passed, and then we will go for second resolution. Now next rule what they have said, sir, कि we will pass this prior resolution to check whether shareholders are ready for this. Next, What type of voting they want, sir? We want for this resolutions all votes should be casted in favor of resolution. Matlab everyone should vote in favor of resolution, no one should vote against the resolution, sir. If that type of approval if I get in step number 1, then I don't mind going for step number 2, sir. Sir, don't you think this is also a good way of appointment now? Why? Can I say we got single resolution for multiple appointments? Imagine 10 directors are to be appointed, sir. So can I say one single resolution may 10 directors ka appointment will happen, sir. And don't you think there is one additional resolution where we have to check whether we want to go for step 2 or not, sir. So can I say if at all 2 steps we follow, we can appoint all the directors, sir. Don't you think life will become easy or not, sir? Don't you think time will be saved or not, sir? Don't you think we can now concentrate more better on other items of the agenda, sir, rather than spending time only on one particular topic and adjourning the meeting, sir? Don't you think idea is very good, sir? So this is what we have done, sir. So can single resolution say multiple appointments of directors in general meeting is possible? Answer is yes, sir. How many steps you should follow? 2 steps you should follow. What is step number 1, sir? Step number 1 is to pass a resolution which says whether we should go with appointment of multiple directors with single resolution or not, sir. First, that resolution should be passed. And what type of votes we want, sir? All votes in favor we want, sir. If step 1 is fulfilled, then you can go for step 2, sir. Then you can go for step 2, sir. I hope you understood, sir. Sir, can we directly go to step 2 and pass a resolution and appoint the directors? If you do multiple appointments not fulfilling step 1 and directly going to step 2, such appointment of directors will be void. Even though shareholders raises the objection, does not raise the objection, sir, immaterial, sir, that resolution will be void, sir. Even though all shareholders have given their votes in favor, that resolution will be void, because we have breached the principle of section 162. So 162 said what, sir? Multiple appointments can be passed by single resolution. That is possible, but that resolution we will pass at step number 2. First we will go for step number 1. And what is our step number 1, sir? Passing a resolution to decide whether step 2 wala resolution should be passed or not. If all the votes are casted in favor, then resolution will be passed. Then resolution will be taken up in second step, sir. If any one objection is also received, then step 2 will not be conducted. It means we will now do appointments individually. We will now do appointments individually. Okay. Let us take example, sir. Let us take example, sir. Sir, case 1 में, can I say step number 1 में, did we pass resolution for appointing a directors? No. Sir, here this is a resolution for not appointing a directors. This is a resolution to decide whether single resolution for multiple appointments should be done or not, sir. So this is not a resolution for appointing a directors. Which one, sir? Resolution number 1. Is resolution number 2 a resolution for appointing? Answer is yes, sir. I hope you understood, sir. Okay. Let us take example, sir. Scenario number 1. Sir, what has happened? We are talking about first resolution here, sir. So A, B, C, D, E, and there we are taking up a resolution. What is this resolution, sir? Whether single resolution should be passed or not, sir. For that, voting has happened. Sir, A already made up his mind, sir. He said yes. B liked only R and A, did not like J. So obviously he will say no. C also of same case, no. Sir, D also, he did not like R and A, he will also say no, sir. And E will say yes. Now my question to you people is, will we go for step 2? Will we now go for single resolution for multiple appointments? Can I say here step 1 itself is not fulfilled? What we wanted was all votes cast in favor, all votes cast in favor, all votes cast in favor. Can I say if 5 votes are casted, all 5 should be in favor? Can I say in favor here are 2, again as a resolution are 3, hence we cannot go for step number 2, sir. What is step number 2, sir? Single resolution for multiple appointments. So how this appointment will happen now, sir? Sir, this appointment will now happen traditional method. What is the traditional method, sir? Individual resolution, individual appointments. So 10 directors are there, 10 resolutions should be passed, sir. Clear? So condition 1 is not satisfied, hence we cannot go for single resolution for multiple appointments, sir. Okay. Scenario number 2, sir. Sir, A said yes, B said yes, C said yes, D said yes, E said yes, sir. तो फर्स्ट रेजोल्यूशन में all people have said yes. Can I now go for second resolution, that is single resolution for multiple appointments? Answer is yes, sir. So here now we are coming for second resolution, sir. Sir, second resolution में what is happening, sir? Real appointment is happening, sir. So shareholder A को we have asked, sir, whether you want all three to be appointed or not appointed. He casted in favor, sir. Sir, in favor, sir. Against, favor, against. So here what will happen, sir? Three people have voted in favor, sir. So can I say ordinary resolution is passed? What is ordinary resolution, sir? Vote cast in favor compared to vote cast against a resolution. So can I say three people have voted in favor of the resolution? So here what will happen, sir? All three will be appointed, sir. Sir, otherwise if it was 2 and 3, sir, all three would have not been appointed, sir. This is how we will go for resolution appointments, sir. I hope you understood what is this logic all about, sir. Clear? Now what is your scheme number 3, sir? Sir, scheme number 3 में, or you can say example number 3 में, here what has happened, sir? Shareholder A has voted in favor, sir. B, C has, they say we propose this resolution. Which resolution? First resolution. Whether to appoint resolution by single resolution or not, sir. So that resolution when we propose, B and C did not vote only. Can I say they have abstained from passing the vote, sir? What do you mean by abstain? Neither they said yes nor they said no, sir. So that type of situation they are, sir. They are in a parleji situation, sir. So they did not say anything. D and E has said yes, sir. So now my question to you people is, can second resolution be passed or not, sir? Sir, again, what is the rule for passing second resolution, sir? First resolution mein all votes should be casted in favor. Now tell me, how many people have casted the vote? Don't say 5. Only 3 people have casted the vote. How many are in favor? All 3 are in favor. So can I say here, these 2 people who have abstained, neither they said no, neither they said yes. Now lawmakers are assuming that unki chuppi mein bhi unki they are favorable, sir. Even their mere silence is deemed to be acceptance in this case, sir. So hence, can second resolution be passed, sir? Answer is yes. So in that second resolution, appointment will happen by OR, sir. So we will pass ordinary resolution for appointment of director, sir. I hope you understood what exactly I am trying to tell. So can I say 162 is very good now, sir? Sir, here multiple appointments can be done, time can be saved, and we got the benefit of step 1, that is case 1 also and case 2 also in our case 3 wala examples. Clear hai bacha? Now, so I am giving you time to make a note of this, sir. So you can pause the video, sir. So 10 seconds I will just roll out the slide, sir. So please pause it and write down, sir. So this ends this answer. Okay, sir, again, sir, any doubts you have, sir, my WhatsApp number is scrolling on this video, sir. You can see below to your video, WhatsApp number is scrolling, sir. You can always WhatsApp me, sir. Sir, you can also ask your doubts on my Facebook page, sir. Even that Facebook page ID is also there, sir. Clear? Done, sir. So this ends this part, sir. Okay, now, sir, now thoda intelligent questions I would like to ask you, sir. What are those intelligent questions, sir? Sir, question number 1, sir. Sir, imagine a scenario, directors have gone for single resolution only. Directors matlab, in general meeting, we have gone for single resolution only, sir, for multiple appointments. Step 1 we did not follow, step 2 we followed, sir. Imagine 5 shareholders have attended, all 5 have voted in favor, sir. Sir, do you think those directors ka appointment has happened? Answer is no, I already said, sir. What did I say, sir? Even though no objections was received from any of the shareholder. What objection should be received, sir? Say simple hai. Imagine a shareholder who has the knowledge of 162, he can immediately raise an objection saying what? Ki how the hell you can do this? I learned company law, I know 162. 162 mein they said that multiple appointments, if you are doing by passing single resolution, then you should pass further, then you should pass usse pehle one resolution where you should propose whether this resolution should be proposed or not. I have read, I scored exemption in company law. Can I say if you have knowledge you will tell this, sir? But do you expect every shareholder to have knowledge of this, sir? Can I say most of you also might be not knowing what was this provision all about, sir? So can I say everyone need not have knowledge of this part, sir? तो ऐसे सिचुएशन में some will raise objection, some will not raise objection. Imagine no objection was raised, sir, and company has gone for directly resolution number 2. Is this appointment valid or void, sir? Answer is void. Such appointments cannot be made, sir. Even if it is made, then the director, we will assume that his appointment is invalid, sir. Void appointment it will be. I hope you understood this point. Cool. Sir, what would be the scenario if same things we do, sir, in board meeting? Sir, I also said in my introductory class, company में directors are generally appointed by shareholders. मतलब some cases में shareholders will appoint, in some scenarios board of directors will appoint. I named section 162 also on that day, sir. So can I say 162 में you have 4 ways of appointment, sir, or 4 directors appointment where directors are appointed by board of directors. So always shareholders only appoint, that rule is not there, sir. So imagine board of directors meeting में, sir, same situation has happened, sir. Imagine there are 5 directors and 3 directors को now we want to appoint, sir. So can board of directors go for single resolution for multiple appointments, or they should also follow section 162? So this is my intelligent question, sir. Or they should also follow this section, sir. Sir, here what is the point you should understand, sir? When you see this section ka opening lines, the word used is at a general meeting. मतलब this total section 162 is only applicable, or total 162 provisions should be followed only if you are proposing this resolution at general meeting, sir. So if you are doing this in board meeting, then this section is not applicable. So indirectly what I am trying to tell you, sir, in board meeting multiple appointments you can do by passing single resolution, sir, because 162 is not applicable for board meetings, but 162 is applicable for general shareholders meeting, sir. General meeting matlab it can be AGM also, it can be EGM also, sir. In short, what we want is shareholders appointment, sir. What we want is these appointments, directors appointments are done in shareholders meeting, sir. Clear? Now let us take some examples, sir. So let us take example, sir. Please, by looking at this situation, tell me whether things are done validly, sir. So how many shareholders were present in the meeting, sir? 200, sir. How many? Now we wanted to appoint multiple directors by single resolution. So we have gone for first resolution, sir. So this is called approval resolution. Approval. Why it is called approval resolution? Because we want approval of shareholders to go whether or not to go for second resolution. So how many people have said yes, sir? 200 people have said yes, sir. Sir, and next second resolution में OR is passed, because 200 में if 101 is said yes, so can I say vote casted in favor are higher compared to against the resolution, sir. So can I say what is the resolution, sir? Is resolution said to be passed or not? Answer is yes. Resolution is said to be passed, sir. Sir, 200 people are there. 200 people have said yes for resolution number 1, sir, but resolution number 2 mein only 99 said yes, sir. Don't you think in this case OR has failed? So do you think appointment happens or appointment will not happen? Appointment will not happen, sir. Sir, 200 shareholders mein 150 said yes and 50 has abstained. Parle ji situation, neither yes nor no, sir. So 150 has said yes. Do you think can we go for resolution number 2, sir? I already said what I said, sir. What we want is vote cast in favor. In favor. How many has voted in favor? How many have voted? 150. How many said yes? 150. So can I say resolution number 1 is said to be passed? Sir, is resolution number 2 also passed? Yes. 101 OR is passed, sir. So answer here is yes. Appointment is done, sir. सर 200 पीपल है, उसमें 150 पीपल हैव सेड यस, ऑब्वियसली 50 हैज सेड नो, तो डोंट थिंक रेजोल्यूशन नंबर 1 फेल्ड, whereas resolution number 2 has passed. Do you think this appointment is valid? Answer is no, void, because resolution number 1 is failed, sir. Sir, 200 people are there, this was not passed only, sir. 151 people said yes, sir, again it is void, sir. 200 people was there, sir, not passed only, all 200 people have said yes for single resolution for appointment of multiple directors. Again my answer would be void, sir, because you are violating provisions of section 162. I hope you understood. So you may note down with answer this slide, sir. Okay, so with this we conclude 162, sir. So let us now give one plain reading of this section, and then we can discuss another section, sir. So at a general meeting, a motion, sir, in some sections you will be using a word motion. Motion matlab kya, sir? Proposed resolution or unapproved resolution, or that resolution which is to be taken up. So at a general meeting, a proposed resolution shall not be made for appointment of 2 or more directors by single resolution. matlab first point itself is saying, sir, कि single resolution for multiple appointments is not possible, sir. However, can I say proviso? Provision said नहीं होगा, it is not possible, बहुत ही सख्त है, it was very strong provision, sir, but can I say point 2 में पिघल गया, sir. However, 2 or more directors can be appointed by passing single resolution. So by single resolution you can appoint 2 or more directors, sir, provided. Now wherever the word provided are there, that means these are conditions, sir. So what are the conditions, sir? Obviously without seeing you should tell me two conditions. Condition number 1 is what, sir? Resolution should be passed to check whether we can go with second resolution or not. Second condition is, for that resolution all people should vote in favor, sir. So let us see, before moving such a single resolution, a resolution, now here it is your first resolution, sir. So a resolution that appointment of 2 or more directors shall be made by passing single resolution has been passed, and no one has voted against the resolutions. So that is what your 162 subsection 1, sir. A resolution moved matlab passed in contravention of above will be void, sir. That is said by 162 subsection 2, sir. 162 subsection 3 is saying what, sir? These type of resolutions will never be taken up, or these type of resolutions, if you go for single resolution for multiple appointment, if you go for single resolution for multiple appointments, we will assume that you have violated, sir. So a motion for approving a person for appointment or nominating a person for appointment will be assumed as if we are going for appointment only. In short, this type of scenarios ke liye also you should go with what, sir? Two-step process. Sir, these are nothing but appointments only, sir. These are nothing but appointments. Okay. Now, sir, to whom this section is not applicable? Agar you have read 160 section properly, there we have written some points, sir. Sir, those companies only has repeated here. देखिए, first, not applicable to private companies. Can I say even in 160 also, and not applicable to private companies, not applicable to government companies. They are also not applicable to government companies. कैसा government company? Wholly owned government company, sir. कैसा government company? This total thing is saying what, sir? Wholly owned government company, sir. And point B is talking about what, sir? Wholly owned subsidiary of above government company, sir. matlab this government company should hold all the shares of another company, sir. So can I say for that company also this section will not be applicable, sir. Clear hai? But can I say these three companies can enjoy exemption only if they have complied section 92 and 137. 92 is for annual return and 137 is for filing of financial statement. I hope you understood, sir. Now, sir, you may be wondering why I discussed this section now, sir. Can I say we are already done with 152 subsection 6 and 7. Sir, if you remember subsection 7 mein, I said that automatic reappointment mein 5 cases of appointment will not be automatically reappointed, sir. So if required, we will just go through that answer once again, sir. So 5 types of appointment mein automatic reappointment is not possible, sir. So what are those 5 appointments, sir? First point, sir, resolution was taken up and it was lost, sir. Second wala, director has shown his unwillingness to continue as a director, sir, or he has attracted some disqualification, sir, or sir, as per the law another resolution is to be passed and that resolution is not passed, sir. And fifth wala point is 162. Matlab, sir, single resolution, if you are going for, matlab you are going for single resolution and you did not go for what, sir? First resolution, sir. So can I say directly going for single resolution, then that appointment is always void, sir. Dekho, 162 is applicable, sir. That is single resolution was passed, not taking prior approval, sir. So in this case also automatic reappointment will happen. Answer is no, because if you do this, it is violating 162, and if you violate 162 and do things, then that is a void appointment, sir. Now cross linking is also done, sir. So in next class we will meet up with another section, and till then फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते, sir.